Guys, some of you may remember what happened to this engine. I was very unlucky that day. This engine was basically brand new, so I waited over a year and a half for this part to be back in stock at LRP.cc. Really expensive part, but I really want to rebuild my LRP28. I will install this SH28 replacement piston and sleeve, as the stock piston and sleeve of the LRP are now in the SH28. That SH came with machining scratches. Worst engine I ever bought. It runs strong, but the quality is really bad. These are the bearings of the LRP28. Unfortunately, I cannot use my hoodie bearing removal tool, as the rear bearing is not a standard size bearing. The front is standard. I will be using this Hobeo 28 carb. Also, I will not install the pull start, as I have a better engine for the Savage. I will not run this 28 into Savage, so I will install the backplate, the sealed backplate. Sadly, the back plate won't fit. I tried the 32 and it's the same part, it fits the 32, but not the 28. The 32 pull start is the same as the 28, but the back plate won't fit the 28. This is tank 11. Still running super rich. I really like how this LRP sounds with the Hobeo carb. Look at that, very rich. That's good for tank 11. The idle sounds really good. Very good with this carb. I made a video about which carb will fit your LRP. And I think that this is a very good option. $48, the Hobeo carb. I'm gonna run 2 more tanks with this carb setting. This is perfect for tank 12 and 13, and then it will be ready for a race tune, in my opinion. Well, this is not a race engine, but that will be for another video. I need to go now. Oh, running out of fuel. That's not good. That's not what you want when breaking the engine in. You need to pay a lot of attention to your fuel. You don't want this, but it can happen. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I see you soon with more Nitro content.